Yeah, g'day, it's Chriso. So I've laid that side right. This is, I've centered it off the doorway, which is always the thing to do. You never put things out of center. Tiling is always symmetrical, people. Try and remember that. It's always evenness, both sides. Always. What I'm endeavouring to do is get these tiles down as fast as I can. It's 9:30 in the morning and we're in the start of summer, so things are pretty hot, starting to get a bit warm. So get your tile down as quick as you can. I always do bathrooms normally, but this time I'm doing a small patio just for the people that I've done the ensuite in here. This is the parents' place. I've done the daughter's ensuite, and they wanted me back to just lay this small patio, and I said yeah, okay. I'm going to another bathroom in a couple of days time, so I'll lay this for them. Get your tiles down as quick as you can, people, because you're in the hot sun. You mustn't let the glue skin, because it will not stick. What's that again? That one? Yep. They're a little bit difficult to, they don't like breaking, these tiles. This is the tile that I've laid in the bathroom that I've just done. Bummer, look at that. Get another one. Try again. Do it again. If you don't first succeed, quit. No. If you first don't succeed, just carry on until you do. That's a better one. Quick, let's get that glue covered. It's not too bad, it's in the shade. My next one I'll have cut before I put the glue out. Put a bit on my tile to go over in the corner there. It's nice, people. Clip it up. And you're laughing. I didn't even take my glue away from the edge. I didn't want to lose too much time. This is why when I'm doing bathrooms, I will always put glue on my tile, not the wall. Because I'm full on into glue, not skinning. Nice. Nice, tell your mum. Nice one. Right, I will measure that one. I'll come back to you shortly. See you soon.